Welcome to Module 2, the four-way module of the Moffett Operator Safety and Training Program. This module covers training and instruction for the Moffett range of four-way models and consists of identification of key components, operating instructions, warnings and precautions, explanation of controls and instrumentation, and operator pre-shift inspection instructions. We strongly recommend that all training related to the standard Moffett be completed before progressing to training on the four-way models. For this reason, Module 1, which covers the standard range of Moffett forklifts in the series Moffett Operator Safety Training videos, must be fully understood before progressing to Module 2, that is, this four-way training module. In response to the challenge of delivering long-length products in restricted and narrow delivery locations, Moffett has developed a range of four-way models. As its name implies, four-way models travel in four directions. That is, forward and backward, referred to as the normal mode, and right or left to either side, referred to as the lateral mode. The four-way's unique capability to travel laterally allows it to transport wide loads through narrow or restricted routes that otherwise might not be accessible when the forklift is operating in its normal mode. In the normal mode of operation, as on a standard forklift, all the wheels are parallel to the forks and the forklift travels forward or backward. In the lateral mode, all the wheels are perpendicular to the forks. The forklift travels to the right or the left in relation to the operator station. The range of four-way models is comprised of the M45 four-way with a safe rated capacity of 4,500 pounds at a 24-inch load center, the M55 four-way with a safe rated capacity of 5,500 pounds at a 24-inch load center, the M70 four-way with a safe rated capacity of 7,000 pounds at a 24-inch load center, the M80 four-way with a safe rated capacity of 8,000 pounds at a 24-inch load center, the M55P four-way with a safe rated capacity of 5,500 pounds at a 24-inch load center. You should recall from the Module 1 training video that when starting work with the Moffett forklift, you must first conduct a visual pre-shift inspection of the forklift, followed by an operational check. The visual pre-shift inspection and operational checks for the four-way are similar to that for the standard Moffett models, except that the Moffett four-way models have several components not found on the standard models. These unique components enable the Moffett four-way to travel and carry wide loads safely in the lateral mode. The internal mass carriage sensor is a safety feature that prevents the lateral mode from being engaged until the mass carriage is fully retracted. The load supports are located one on either side of the machine. They must be folded down when wide loads are carried in order to support the load, minimize load deflection, and increase load stability. The front wheel counterweights are added to the wheel rims to compensate for the reduced stability in the lateral mode by moving the combined center of gravity forward and downward. The lift height sensor is activated by the lift height sensor plate. This is a safety feature that restricts lift height in the lateral mode of operation depending on the model. Restricting the lift height helps maintain an optimum level of lateral stability. Note also that Moffett four-way forklifts have a wider frame opening than the standard models. This increases lateral stability in the four-way mode. Additionally, narrower front tires are used to keep the overall width of the forks within legal DOT dimensions. The four-way models have four directional work lights in addition to the front and rear lights on the standard models to give localized lighting when operating the Moffett in darkness or low lighting. It is necessary to conduct a visual inspection and operational check of these additional components during the pre-shift inspection. Check the internal mass carriage sensor for damage, loose electrical connections, or foreign objects. Check the lift height sensor and lift height sensor plate for bends, damage, loose electrical connections, or foreign objects. Check the left and right steering cylinders for leaks at the fittings and glands. Check the cylinder rods for nicks and scratches. Check the mounts on either end of the cylinders for cracks. Check for missing or loose bolts on the cylinder retaining pins located at either end of the cylinders. Check both load supports for cracks, bends, excessive wear, and loose or missing parts. Ensure that they fold up and down smoothly and lock and unlock in place. Check both front wheel counterweights for damage or loose bolts. Having completed the pre-shift visual inspection, you're now ready to begin with the operational checks. Climb aboard